In this quick tip, I'm going to show you the way to increase the size of the font previews inside of Photoshop. And you may have seen this before, you may have forgotten about it, but if you never have, this is the way to do it, and it's really important that you do. It'll help you out tremendously. So let's review, and let me show you what it looks like when you go to your type tool and you first open up Photoshop. If you've never changed this setting and you want to change the font here, you go to the top menu, click on your type tool, and when you look at this menu list, yes, you can drag over these and see a preview of what all of these fonts do on the actual document here, which is nice. However, you really can't see them here to know what to pick. And so we want to increase the size of these so we can really see these fonts and pick the one that we want without having to scroll through every one of them. The only way and the best way to do this is to go to the top here where it says Type. This is in Photoshop CC. In Photoshop CS5, I believe, and CS6 it is a little different, and I will show you that here in a second. But to start here in CC, we're going to go to Type, and then we're going to go to Font Preview Size. And there, we're going to change this to huge, which is not so huge. So just click huge. Don't even sample the rest. And let's go back to the top now and see the list. And you can see that now they are almost huge. But at the very least, you can kind of see what they look like. And you can scroll through here and see, well, all right, I really love that. Double click here and make something different so we can really see this font. Perfect. So again, I can go back at the top and now I can change this some more and I can easily see what these fonts look like, which is great. So maybe I'm looking for more of a style like this. I can scroll through easily and find more that look like that very quickly, like this, or maybe something like that, and I can choose. Maybe I'm looking for a handwriting, something like this. Great. Now, if you have an older version of Photoshop or you have Photoshop Elements, you're going to go to the top here under Edit, and then you'll go to Preferences, and then Type. And then in this menu, you can see you have a Font Preview Size option, and you will change this now to huge. And then say OK. And that then will change your font preview size from your list so you can really see it very, very easily.